GMBT Red Light Plus, your family's walkie-talkie.
Kahit saan sa kita natawan, ang expert dyan, alam sa akin. May power fast formula ang NAPAP Advanced. Fast release capsule, kaya bilis ang galang sa iyo. Yan ang mabilis. Okay, para sa atin ito. East and West, weekend sa
At least 150 pounds. Kenny Bayless is a third man in the ring. He's 58 years old. This is the third fight that he's working for Manny Pacquiao and the second for Ricky Hatton.
Mag-isang tayo dating, buhay. Sabi ng papel, mas matagal daw yung isang Ricky Hatton. We see them on the ring right now. It doesn't seem like it's a very big disparity. But on paper is 5'7", si Pacquiao is 5'6". On paper, however, Pacquiao has a reach advantage, 2-inch reach advantage, 57 inches over 61. Hopefully that comes into play, and it will help his style, which we talked about a while ago. He will try to keep the distance from Ricky Hatton, and here Ricky Hatton will negate the distance by going forward and bullying Manny Pacquiao.
Here we go with the familiar southpaw stance to Manny Pacquiao. And always the message fighter, they're always moving forward. There we go. Kaya agad, hawak-hawak si Manny Pacquiao gamit ang kaliwa at sumusunod ng kanan. Immediately is Manny Pacquiao with the right. Nagpakilala lang si Manny Pacquiao, Ricky Hatton. Ricky Hatton showing the same style that he's used in all of his fights. He's just coming forward, not so much head movement, at least not yet. And look at him, the way he's throwing punches at Manny Pacquiao from close range.
Well, this is what we were talking about. Ricky Hatton will try to control his punches any time, at any point in the fight. No? We're looking at him moving forward, trying to push the fight against Manny Pacquiao.
Very aggressive is Ricky Hatton. Ricky Hatton all over Manny Pacquiao in his first round.
Nothing new in Ricky Hatton. This is what they expected him to be.
The 1-2 combination. And look at that clinch by Ricky Hatton. Hawak sa bato. I think the right hand of Manny Pacquiao is going to play a very important role in this fight. That right hand has to keep pumping. Jeremy Egan and the Long Tigers in this opening round.